In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Adobe InDesign. To get started, head down below this video and click on the link. This is going to take you across to the official Adobe website. And then we're going to head up to the top left-hand side, click on Creativity and Design, and under Featured Products, we're going to select View All Products. And then we're going to scroll down and find Adobe InDesign, and we're going to click on Learn More. Now, this is going to take you across to the official InDesign page on the Adobe website, and you can scroll through here to see all the amazing features that you get access to inside of Adobe InDesign. If you want to explore any of the features that InDesign offers, at the bottom here, they give you a little outline of all the features, and you can click on View All Features if you would like to see more. Once you're ready to dive in, we're going to head to the bottom and click on the free trial button. Then we're going to choose between individuals, students and teachers, and business. Most of us are going to be individuals. Then you can choose between InDesign only and the Creative Cloud Pro option. Now, in the Creative Cloud Pro option, you get access to all of the apps from Adobe, including Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and all the amazing apps that Adobe has to offer. So if you want to try out those others as well as InDesign, then select the Creative Cloud Pro option. Then we're going to choose a subscription, and you need to do this even if you're just trying out the 7-day free trial. So we need to choose between monthly, annual billed monthly, and annual prepaid. Now, if you're a high roller, you can go for the annual prepaid. Otherwise, you're going to choose between monthly and annual billed monthly. Now, remember, if you want to go for the cheaper option, the annual billed monthly, you are still committing to a full 12 months. You're just paying on a monthly basis. If you cancel early, then fees do apply. So make sure you think about this before you choose. We like to go with the monthly only option because you can cancel anytime. It is a little bit more expensive, and these prices might be a little bit different depending on when you're watching this video. So choose the option that works best for you, and then you can add a 7-day free trial of Adobe stock. So they give you 10 free standard assets. So why not add this in, and you can cancel it if you don't want to continue with it after the 7 days. So click on the blue continue button. Then you're going to enter our email address, and I want you to double check that you have the correct plan that you want to go with here. And then just check that you do have your 7-day free trial. You do that by checking that the due now is in fact 0, and then check the date that the 7-day free trial ends, and check how much will be due according to the options that you have chosen, and that's on a monthly basis. Now, that price might be a bit different depending on when you're watching this video. Then in step 2, we're going to enter our payment information, and then in step 3, we're going to download the Creative Cloud app, and then inside of the Creative Cloud app on your PC or your Mac, you can then download InDesign and get started using it. If you have any questions or queries about how to download and install Adobe InDesign on your PC or Mac, let us know in the comment section down below, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope you enjoy InDesign as much as we do.